everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Srishti and in today's video I'm going to be sharing few fashion hacks. I'm sure they're going to be very useful, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first hack is how to roll up your jeans, and this is how you normally would roll it up, but it doesn't look much flattering, so I'm going to show you a better way. Leave 3 to 4 inches from the bottom, pinch and pull the fabric upwards like so, creating a pocket. Then fold the hem and tuck it inside the pocket we just created. Then adjust the length and you'll be good to go. And you can see how much difference it makes. And I did the same on the other leg as well, and this is how it looks. Okay, so the next DIY is converting your lace-up shoes to slip-ons. Start by passing the lace through the second holes, leaving the first holes. Then pass it again through the same hole to create loops. Once the loops are done, then cross them and create loops again, and repeat this procedure till you reach the end. Once you reach the end, then pass the lace through the loops we just created. Once you reach the other end, then make knots and put it inside the holes and hide the tip. Next hack is a bag hack, how to shorten the length of your sling bag. For this hack, just remove the strap from either side, open the flap and put the strap inside, and attach the strap back to its place, and then close the flap, and the length of your bag is shortened within less than a minute. Next hack is pretty much the same. It is converting your sling bag to a fanny pack. Start by removing the strap from one side and wrap it around the waist. Then open the flap and put the strap inside and put it back to its place. And there you go, your fanny pack is ready. Next hack is a bra hack. Now I know the struggle of finding the right strapless bra. No matter how expensive it is, it keeps on sliding down. So here's a hack. Put on your bra like you normally would. Then take one of the straps and wear it under your bust. This way it will be more secure and will not let the bra slide down. And that's it. Now you can wear your halter neck tops, strappy tops and strapless tops without any worries. Next hack is how to make the perfect knot. This is how you normally would tie the knot, but it doesn't look that great, so here's a simple hack. Make a knot and hold it vertically. Then take the top end and make a loop around your fingers. Then take the bottom end and pass it through the loop and then adjust the knot. You can see it for yourself which one looks better. Alright, moving on to the last hack, which is downsizing your jeans. I think everybody has a jeans which fits around the hips and legs perfectly but not their waist, so this hack is for you. For this hack, you'll be needing elastic, pair of scissors, buttons and thread and needle. Start by measuring your waist with the help of an elastic from the first loop to the second loop like I am showing in the video. Then cut the extra elastic with help of scissors. Now turn the jeans inside out and remove the label using seam ripper. Now make cuts on the top layer leaving 2 inches from both the sides. Now with the help of a safety pin, thread the elastic through the waistband. Now stitch the buttons on both the sides and make cuts on the elastic for buttonholes. And done! And this is how it looks. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. See you in my next one. Bye bye.